Welcome today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this application to another one. And here, as can you see, we create the new folder here on our device screen. We can give a name here on this folder, for example the apps. Then just click here to done, and as can you see, we just create the new folder here. Also we can add one more application, or not just one, a couple of applications by click once on each of application here. As can you see here, we got the 4 selected from 30 applications. Then just tap here to done to add them to your device folder. And also you can move this folder here on the device screen or also between the screens. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here to this screen. And if you wanna just remove some application from this folder, hold for a while the app and drag it here if you want to stay with this application on your home screen. Or also you can just hold it for a while, click to select some, for example these 2 apps. You can click here to remove, and they will remove only from your home screen, but don't worry, they will stay in your apps menu here. And also you can just create a new folder from these applications in this folder just by click here on the news folder, and as can you see, we just created the new folder from these applications. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.